Cammy, what's in the electromagnetic spectrum and has the highest frequency and the shortest wavelength? It's pretty obvious, it's gamma rays.
Gamma rays?
No, stupid, gamma rays.
Yeah, it can treat cancer, but you have to be careful because it can also cause cancer.
That doesn't make any sense. Treat and cause? Well, which one is it?
Didn't she just say it was both? It doesn't have to make sense. It's science. Anyways, it can also penetrate most materials easily and kill bad germs in food, like this fruit in this fruit basket.
And for future possibilities, it can be used to scan packaging for radiation, like for homeland security.
Don't you think most grandmas would own gamma rays?
Ugh, well, anyways.
So bite into a nice juicy piece of fruit.
And thank God for gamma rays. Gamma rays. Well, bye.
I guess you're right.
Woo! Now let's talk about radio waves. Radio waves are used so much. A lot of electronics have to do with these, like radios, cell phones, and TVs. Antennas can receive these waves, like the ones on your car, your roof, or your skyscraper. Radio waves have the shortest frequency, the shortest out of all of the electromagnetic spectrum, but it has the longest wavelength. Everyone is surrounded by radio waves. Just imagine how many people pull out their cell phones every day. Oh, I gotta take this. Have fun turning up your radio waves.
A lot of people have broken a bone before. X-rays is how doctors are able to see what is actually wrong with you. You can find it in the medical field, or even in a dentist's office. Yes, you get X-rays on your teeth. But the problem is they can kill or damage living cells. Also, do you remember if a doctor or dentist put a large pad on you if you're getting an X-ray? Well, I sure hope they did. It's to protect cells from being damaged. X-rays have a high frequency and a wavelength ranging from 0.01 micrometers to 10 micrometers. Well, we're glad to have X-rays so we can stay healthy and be safe and know what is actually wrong with us so we can heal quicker.
When I got my X-ray, they were able to see the bones on my finger. See how you can too? I think it's pretty cool.
Hey, so what do you think all the bright light that surrounds us is? It's simply called visible light. It's what our eyes see. Also, it's not just this sunlight coming through the window.
Wait.
It's also the light on the end of a firefly. Lamps are a source of visible light, and so is a rainbow. A rainbow is a good version of showing visible light because it has a lot of colors you see every day. All the light makes this world a happy, better, and bright place. So be happy and hang out with your best friend, Roy G. Biv.
I'm Roy G. Biv, and I approve this message.
I guess you're right.
You ever heard of night vision goggles? They're the only way humans like us can see through infrared light. The skin emits infrared rays so that night vision goggles can see us. And if you're going to grow up to be a person who causes crimes, then infrared rays may be your worst enemies because you can be detected by infrared film. And that way the police can take secret photos this way. It's a new way to get people in jail and stop causing crimes. Infrared rays have a longish frequency and a shortish wavelength. Other household items like toast include infrared rays inside to toast up your bread. Now pull out your night vision goggles and let's make some toast and celebrate infrared light. Woo!
And there's no cloud.
Hey, don't you hate it when you get those painful sunburns? I bet you don't wonder why you do or how. But I'm going to tell you anyways. You can blame it on UV rays, aka ultraviolet radiation, for the scars, the blisters, and the burns you get. These rays are found in stars and other hot objects in space. It is also said to cause skin cancer. Outdoor skin products such as sunscreen can protect you from this type of thing. Honeybees can see UV light, so they see different colors from us. A UV ray has a highest frequency and the wavelength can range from 10 micrometers to 400 micrometers. Now when you put on those nice gorgeous sunglasses and that swimsuit, be sure to remember the most important thing, sunscreen.
Instant dinners are always the best, but what actually heats stuff up in the microwaves? Microwaves. Duh. We all use microwaves in our everyday lives, but there are some things microwaves are used for that you might not expect, like a Doppler radar in weather forecasts. Microwaves can penetrate clouds, smoke, rain, and snow. It can also be used to transmit info from one source to another. Microwaves have a low frequency and wavelength that can range as long as 1 meter to 1 millimeter. Isn't that cool?